Our staffs are exhausted. Senator Lummis pushes for crypto market structure markup next week. Crypto regulation. Market structure bill. With Congress nearing its holiday recess, senators are scrambling to finalize a draft that has changed repeatedly amid political pressure and industry demands for clarity. Journalist Hassan Shittu. Journalist Hassan Shittu. Part of the team since June 2023. About author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has also written, Malaysia's Crown Prince launches $121 million crypto treasury, despite bubble fears. ASIC unveils major stablecoin relief and Omnibus rights, but there's a catch. Kwon sentencing. Judge demands clarity on looming 40-year South Korea prison term. Senator Moreno warns no deal is better than a bad deal, as crypto bill talks stall. JP Morgan CEO drops debanking bombshell. We cut Republicans and Democrats. No one's safe. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 2 hours ago. Senator Cynthia Lummis said she wants the Senate Banking Committee to move ahead with a markup of the long-delayed crypto market structure bill as early as next week, showing that negotiations in Washington have reached another pressure point. Speaking at the Blockchain Association Policy Summit on Tuesday, Lummis said she hoped the Responsible Financial Innovation Act, the committee's version of market structure legislation, would be ready for a formal markup before Congress leaves for the holidays. Lummis said the industry had begun to worry about the pace of progress, noting that bipartisan drafts had been rewritten repeatedly in recent weeks. She described a process that has strained both Republican and Democratic staff members, adding that the constant revisions were no longer sustainable. Our staffs are exhausted, she said, explaining that she and Senator Kirsten Gillibrand wanted to present a draft by the end of this week, circulate it to industry and lawmakers, and then bring the bill to a markup next week. A markup hearing would allow senators to amend the legislation before sending it to the full Senate. Also, Lummis said in September that she expected the bill to be signed into law by 2026. Crypto bill stalls in Senate as lawmakers restart negotiations. Her push comes after the House passed its own bill, the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act of 2025, in July. Since then, it has been waiting in the Senate for the next round of action. The House legislation, formally introduced in May by Chairman French Hill, gives the Commodity Futures Trading Commission primary oversight of digital commodities while preserving the Securities and Exchange Commission's authority over fundraising and token issuance. The Senate Banking Committee has been developing its own version of a market structure framework, but progress stalled after the record-setting government shutdown and disagreements over how decentralized finance should be regulated. Although senators released a discussion draft in July, the shutdown and the backlog that followed pushed talks deeper into the fall. A report from Politico on Monday indicated that bipartisan negotiations had picked up again, with plans to hold a markup in December. That aligns with Senator Cynthia Lummis' push to keep the timeline on track. However, not everyone is pleased with how slow things have been moving. At the same policy event on Monday, Senator Bernie Moreno said the process had become decently frustrating, adding that he would rather see no bill at all than one that leaves major regulatory gaps untouched. He plans to meet with Democratic lawmakers this week in an effort to break the stalemate. Lawmakers race clock as crypto bill risks election year freeze. Earlier this year, Congress managed to push a stablecoin bill through with support from both parties, but the broader market structure package has been a far tougher lift. One point of tension lies in how the House and Senate drafts define which tokens should not be regulated as securities. The Senate version uses the term ancillary assets, while the Agriculture Committee's proposal expands the CFTC's authority instead. Both drafts still need markups, revisions, and formal votes before they can move forward. There was a brief moment of optimism last week when Banking Committee Chair Tim Scott said a markup could take place on December 17 or 18. But Senator Mark Warner suggested that wrapping everything up before the holiday recess would be difficult, noting that the White House still hadn't provided final language on quorum and ethics rules. The pressure to move faster is rising. Senator Tom Tillis warned that if negotiations drift into February, The bill could get stuck for the rest of the year once the election cycle takes over. That sense of urgency has only increased since the 43-day shutdown ended on November 13th, leaving several crypto-focused bills, including the Clarity Act, waiting for attention. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions, Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference, real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders' crypto market prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. XRP price prediction. Panic sets in as XRP drops again, but this signal says a massive bounce could be coming. Bitcoin price prediction. Bernstein says 4-year cycle is broken as institutions drive in. Elongated bull market raises 2026 target to $150K. Live. Bitcoin price alert. September and October JOLTS data drops today. Will job openings shift Fed rate decision? Exclusives. Daniel Lee named CEO of Cactus Custody, strengthening its institutional digital asset platform. 1 day ago. By Tanzil Akhtar. Price analysis. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Solana, Pepe by the end of 2025. 1 day ago. By Ahmed Balaha. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $716 million floods into crypto funds. Why are institutions quietly buying XRP right now? 1 hour ago. By Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in December 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 11 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. Best crypto presales to invest in December 2025. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in December 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 10 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 12 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. Just now. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Ben Beto.